Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you a simple and practical strategy to make $1,000 per week. The best part, you won't need any special skills or prior experience to get started. So I have compiled a list of best papers lead affiliate programs for you. Even if you are unable to generate sales, you will be compassionated. Let me first define paper lead. You will be paid when you generate a lead, and a lead will be counted if your traffic fills out the sign up form for your affiliate product and uses their service as a trial. This is known as paper lead affiliate program. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the best paper lead affiliate programs where you can sign up as an affiliate and start making money online. Before you do anything else, please leave a simple like on this video, and if you are one of my subscribers, leave a comment. I hope to see you in comment sections. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. So at first we have FreshBooks affiliate program. So you want to come over to freshbooks.com/affiliate-program. And once you come to their affiliate page, then you can join their affiliate program by clicking this button. And as you can see here, earn up to $200 per sale. So that means if you can generate one sale, then you will be making $200. Now if you can generate 3 sales to 5 sales a day, then you could make $600 to $1,000 a day, guys. So we would say it's a great way to make decent amount of money online. Now even if you cannot generate any sales, if you can only generate a lead, then you will still make $10 per lead. If we go a little bit down, then here we can see trial sign up commission, and if we read this, then we can see there saying you get paid every time someone sign up for a FreshBook trial using your affiliate link. And here as you can see, you will earn $10 per trial sign up. So what you want to do, you want to click this join the affiliate program button, and you want to join their affiliate program, and their affiliate network partners share a sale. And now the next affiliate program we have, guys, is SEMrush. So you want to come to semrush.com, and once you come to their website, and you will go all the way to the bottom, and you want to click this affiliate program link, and from there it will take you to this page. SEMrush is an all-in-one SEO tool that help marketers to do SEO, keyword research, and many more. And as you can see, SEMrush also has the exact same commission structure as FreshBooks. They are giving $200 per sale and $10 for every new trial sign up. So you can simply join their affiliate program by clicking this join now button. Okay, so the next affiliate program we have is the Audible affiliate program. So you want to come over this link, or you can simply search Audible affiliate program on Google, and you will find their affiliate program link. So once you come to their affiliate page, now let's see how their affiliate commissions work. So you want to go to a little bit down, and here we can see under the standard free structure, if someone sign up for a free trial membership, then you will earn $5 per sign up, and if they buy the paid membership, then you will get $10 for that. So we could say their commission structure is pretty good. So you can join their affiliate program by simply clicking this become an affiliate button. So next we have the Sendinblue affiliate program. So at first you want to come to sendinblue.com. So Sendinblue has an email marketing software. If we go a little bit down, then we can see here that Sendinblue is providing this all types of services to their customers, and a business owner or a company literally needs this services to grow their business. And if you promote the Send in Blue service to a business owner, then you will get a good amount of affiliate commission for that and to join their affiliate program. First of all, you want to go all the way to the bottom and you want to click this link, partner with us, and then you will come to this page. Now here we can see 3 different programs to join as an affiliate. The first one is for agencies and consultancies. If you are a freelancer, then I would suggest you to choose this one. And then the second one is for bloggers and publishers, and we want to choose this one. So if you want to click this link, join the blogger program, and from there it will take you to this page. Now here we can see an $5 commission when someone creates an account to Send in Blue. So if you promote Send in Blue with someone and it will, if they just create an account, then you will earn $5 commission for that and $5 as just for signing up. Now check this out. If the users buy a subscription, then you will receive an additional $100 for just one sale. You will be making $100, guys. That's a really good commission structure. So you can join their affiliate program by simply filling up this form, and you want to sign up as an affiliate, and make sure you read all of this text as well. Okay, so the next one, we also have another email marketing service called Constant Contact. So you want to come to constantcontact.com/partners/affiliate. And once you hit this link, then you will come to this page, and here as you can see, refer your audience, drive leads and sales, and generate revenue. Now let me show you the cool thing. If you go a little bit down, then here you will see get paid. And if you read this closely, then you will see it says earn $5 for each referral that sign up for a trial. So it means that just for a trial sign up, you will be making $5. And if they pay for an account, if they take a subscription plan, then you will make $105 for that. So we would say it's another great affiliate program, guys. You will make $5 for free trial sign up, and even if they don't buy any subscription plan. So that's really cool, right? So you can join their affiliate program by simply clicking this apply now button. And then the next affiliate program, we have an educational platform called Pluralsight. So you want to come to pluralsight.com/affiliate. And once you come to their affiliate page, then you can join their affiliate program by simply clicking this Start Today button. But before you join, let's see how their commission plan works. If we go a little bit down, and then we will see their simple commission plans. They are giving $5 for every trial sign up, and we also have reoccurring income opportunities as well. If someone takes their monthly subscription, then you will get a 50% commission from that. Let's say their monthly subscription amount as $20, then you will get $10 reoccurring commissions every single month from that one person. Okay, so the next affiliate program, we have a grammatical software called Grammarly. Grammarly is one kind of typing assistant that reviews your spelling mistakes and grammar while you write something and suggests you to the correct grammar, and it's free of use. But they also have a paid plan. So if you want to come to their affiliate page by hitting grammarly.com/affiliates, and once you come to their affiliate page, now let's see their commission details. So you want to go a little bit down, and here you can see commission details, and we can see for free account sign up, they're giving 20 cents even if someone does not buy any premium plan. If someone purchases their premium plan, then you will make $20, guys. and this tool is easy to promote with anyone, and even if someone does not buy any premium plan, they are still making 20 cents for just sign up. So it's a really cool affiliate program, guys. So you can join their affiliate program by simply clicking this become an affiliate button, and you can start promoting this tool. So I hope you learned something useful from today's video. Please leave a comment below indicating which affiliate program you prefer. Also, if you want a comprehensive tutorial on any affiliate program, leave a comment. Please remember to like this video, subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.